So if you guys saw my last video, I don't know whether this is a JPerm cube or not, but let's find out together. No. Well, I guess I have to make my own JPerm cube then. Let's do this. Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and if you guys saw my Tengyun unboxing video, I ordered a JPerm RS3M 2020 from Speedcube shop. Unfortunately, they kind of messed up and sent me a regular RS3M 2020 instead, but that's completely fine because in today's video, we're going to be trying and converting this RS3M 2020 into a JPerm RS3M 2020. By the way, if this ever happens to any of y'all, don't worry because Speedcube shop will 100% ship you a replacement one completely free. Alright, so I've never actually owned a regular RS3M 2020 before, so yep, let's get into first turns. And yep, out of the box it does feel pretty great, absolutely amazing for just $9. But it is a little bit dry out of the box and it definitely needs some work. So yep, let's try the JPerm setup on this. So around 3 months ago, JPerm made a video where he visited Speedcube shop and made 100 JPerm cubes himself. In that video, he kind of leaked how the JPerm cubes are set up. So if you guys haven't seen that video already, I'm going to be trying out that lubing method on this RS3M 2020. Let's go. Alright, so here are the lubes you'll be needing for this setup. Firstly, you'll need any kind of weight one lube. I'm using Traxxas 10K here, but you can use any kind of weight one lube including Speedcube shop's very own weight one. You're also going to be needing some Lunar lube, which is Speedcube shop's fastest silicone lube, and JPerm does enjoy fast cubes. So yep, let's do this. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is just take off all the center caps and set the spring compression to 7 clicks. Here I've taken off all the center caps, and in your accessories box you should be able to find the spring compression tool. Alright, here is the spring compression tool. So now you just got to set all the sides to 7 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go, just repeat it for all of the sides. Alright, so the cube definitely feels a bit tighter and more compressed now. And what you gotta do now is just lube the core with Lunar. So what you just gotta do now is take your Lunar and put 4 drops in between the screw and the blue thing. 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you guys can see, there is definitely a lot of lube inside there, and yep, all you gotta do is repeat it for the rest of the sides. Alright, so the deed's been done. Now what you gotta do is put on all the center caps. Alright, so now you guys will notice that the cube does feel quite a bit smoother, but it's also gotten quite lubey from the outside. So yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick wipe. Alright, so I just went ahead and gave this cube a quick wipe, and now it's time to lube the pieces. Alright, so what you gotta start by doing is taking your weight one lube and putting 2 blobs of it on 2 opposite sides. So just go ahead and squeeze it, and yep, just make a blob like this, and then flip the cube over and do the same on this side. Alright, so as you guys can see, the lube is seeping out, but just go ahead and give it some turns. Alright, so as you guys will notice, the cube has gotten a little bit slower now, and that's where the Lunar lube comes in. What you just gotta do is crack open the cube and put 6 drops of Lunar in various places. Alright, so here's drop number 6, and then just go ahead and turn the cube. Alright, so the cube feels absolutely fantastic now. There is one problem. Just look at how drenched that is. Just go ahead and give it a good wipe down and you should be good to go. Alright, so yep, the cube feels absolutely fantastic now. It is a little bit gummy as you guys can see, but after around 10 sols that should completely go away. Oh, and I also forgot to mention here that Speedcube shop also has its break-in algorithm for this very purpose, so you can either do that or do a bunch of sols on it. Alternatively, if you don't want any gumminess, then just use less weight one than I did, but just know that will make the lube last less long. Now unfortunately, I do not own a JPerm logo, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put on an SCS logo. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on off camera so that I can center it properly. Okay then, that looks great. Not perfectly centered, but yep, I'm fine with it. Let's give this cube a quick solve. Solving through my camera isn't super easy, but I guess I'll try. Alright, 10.67 seconds could have been better considering I was solving through my camera, but yep, that's a pretty good time. So yep, just as I'm turning this cube, I can start to feel the lube working in, and it's getting faster and faster, which is amazing, and the feeling is also incredible. So yep, that's about it for this video on me making a JPerm cube. Thanks a lot to Speedcube Shop as always for sending me this cube to test out, and if you want to buy this cube or any other Speedcube, be sure to get it at Speedcube Shop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and good luck making your own JPerm cube. Goodbye.